Welcome, guys, to this session where we want to look at the volume of a cone, the volume of a conical frustrum. That is a frustrum that comes as a result of cutting the top part of the cone. So how do we calculate the volume? And I must mention that first of all, those of you that may want tuitions, you can contact us on these numbers. Strictly tuitions, we do not address questions like, I know we have a lot of people to attend to. So you are serious about tuitions. We are enrolling for GCE for next year, which is 2023, because we know that tomorrow, which is the 11th, you are writing your second paper, which is paper 2. And once again, I wish you good luck. So for those of you that are having your relatives, your children, your friends that are writing next year, even those that are in grade 12 this year, grade 9, grade 8, all the grades, we are enrolling. Okay, so you can contact us on these numbers. Okay, so back to the question. How do we handle this question? All right, so you need to understand this is the formula that we are going to use. All right, this is the formula that we are going to use. Volume is equals to pi. You know, pi is 3.142 multiplied by the height. What is the height here? The height is 12. So we're going to write 12 divided by 3, open brackets. Now we need the radius of a bigger circle here, the radius of a bigger circle, okay, which is this, the one that is at the bottom here, the base. So the radius is going to be half of this 10, okay? As you may have seen here, this is the diameter, but what we need in the formula is the radius. The radius, we need to divide the diameter by 2. So that is going to be 5 squared plus the radius of a smaller circle here, which is 3. What do we get? It is going to be 3 squared. Then here we are going to have 5 multiplied by 3. We close brackets. All right, then we go on and say volume is equals to 3.142 multiplied by, we can actually divide this 12 by 3. So it's going to be 4. When we divide this 12 by 3, it's going to be 4. All right. Then here we are going to have 25 plus 9 plus 15. All right. So now we need to have volume is equals to 3.142. All right. 3.14 multiplied by 142 multiplied by 4. Then we can add what we have in the brackets here. What are we going to get? Multiplied by, let us add all these and see what are we going to get. All right. 15 plus 25, what we get? That gives us 40, isn't it? And then this is going to be 49. Then we can multiply these ones now to get the final answer. I hope we won't have a difficulty. This is a 6 marks question in the exam, and you are allowed to use a calculator because it comes in paper 2. So we shouldn't have any challenge here. All right. We shouldn't have any challenge, ladies and gentlemen. That must be very simple for all of us. Okay. That must be very simple for all of us. So we are going to get 615.832. Okay. But what we need is, according to the instructions that we are always given in the exam, we always need to give an answer in 3 significant figures. So it is now going to be 3 It's going to be 6, 1, and 6, all right, centimeters cubed. This is what is going to be our final answer. Most likely you may find such questions in tomorrow's exam, and you should not be able to forget this formula, all right, this formula. And once again, I want to tell you that please, if you've got relatives, children, friends that are in their secondary school, that is from grade 8 up to 12, please, they can register with us. We have registration going on for next year and even for this year, those that are writing in November. Okay, thank you very much. And once again, good luck for those of you that are writing tomorrow, your mathematics paper 2. All right.